Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack the files into RAR or zip archives on your VIVO V23 using app called RAR. So in order to do that, first we need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM, camera, and there's a 3 pictures right here. Now in order to pack them, we'll need to select all of the files that we want to pack and then press on this plus button. Now here there'll be a few settings which you can change. The first one is to pick the name for our archive, and let's call it pictures, like that. The next step is to change the extension or keep the one that we already selected for our RAR or zip file. So let's call it RAR and it will be RAR. The next option is to set the password for our file, and we can do it very simple. Let's do it with 123. We can show the password if we're not sure that we've typed it in correctly, or encrypt the file names. Press OK to save that. And here there's 2 more options: delete files after archiving and create solid archive. Now if we move to advanced option, there's more options right here. In options there's even more options, and in the comments you can leave any comment about your archive. So now in order to actually create it, we'll need to press OK, and we can see our picture.rar was created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.